Backup print is a function that prints the data stored in the internal memory. It is possible to print a certain period. Press Enter key for 3 seconds. Press down key to select Record Backup Setup, and press Enter key. Press Enter key on Record Backup. Press Up key to select Start, and press Enter key. After selecting the file to be printed, press Enter key. Press down key to find Select File, and press Enter key. The number is the start time. Press Run key and Enter key together. Check start time and end time. Press down key to find Select Print Mode, and press Enter key. Press Up key to select Graph Mode. Press Run key and Enter key together. Press left key to return to Run mode. Record backup is flashing and printing starts.